According to all of you class 9th student, I am very regret I could not attend the classes of 2 or 3 days. So I am very regret because I was in fasting and unfortunate I could not attend the classes. So that I would like to request you all of you please sanitize your hand with isopropyl alcohol, and during this I would like to suggest you maintain social distancing whenever if you go out of your home, but I would like to request you stay home and stay safe as far as practicable. Now let's we have a look on improvement of yields. Before we discuss about the improvement of yields, we must have to know about the some topics of agronomy, horticulture, olericulture, aquaculture and agronomist. Point is concerned, I would like to write this one on ICE agronomy. It is that branch of agriculture science which deals with the production of field crops and management of the soil. Some points are important. Important to remember. For the agriculture, agronomy it is that branch of agricultural science which deals with the production of crop plants, and soil management. Second topic is concerned horticulture. You all will have heard about the apiculture, pisciculture, aquaculture. Regarding this horticulture, it deals with the growth and management of fruit and flowering plants. It deals with the growth of fruits and flowering plants. Third one, olericulture. These are some new words and it is very essential to know the growing and managing of vegetables. It is growing and managing of vegetables. Fourth one is concerned aquaculture. The farming and harvesting of plants and animals in bodies of water for economical purposes. It deals with the production of aquatic plants and aquatic animals as fishes for economical purposes. Now fourth one is agronomist. A scientist who studies about the agricultural science is called the agronomist. Now let's have another look at crops. Did you wash your hands with soap? There are about 2000 plant species which are cultivated for eating purposes. Nowadays, there are 2000 species of plants which are cultivated for eating purposes. Following parts of the plants are eaten as food. Seeds, fruits, vegetables, spices, मसाला जिसको बोलते हैं, fodder crops, and other crops, that is medicinal crops, etc. Now let's have a look on different modes of seeds. First point is seeds. All seeds of plants are edible. लगभग सभी प्रकार के पौधों का फल बीज खाया जाता है। उदाहरण के लिए लार्ज सीड्स सच एज दोज फॉर्म अ लेमन पॉज और चॉकिंग हैजार्ड, whereas seeds from apple and cherries contain poisonous cyanide. Edible seeds include cereals, pulses, oil seeds and nuts. Edible seeds are while some edible seeds are cereals, pulses, oil seeds and nuts. That is the dry fruits. Now let's we have a look what is cereals, what is pulses. As you know that you all are familiar with these ones. Fruits are concerned, they include apple, orange. सीरियल्स में वो सारे क्रॉप्स आ जाते हैं जिसमें गेहूँ, चावल, बाजरा, सोयाबीन, sorghum, बार्ले एक्सेट्रा, ये सारे कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स के होते हैं बेटा. पल्सेज में भी आप जानते हैं, ऑयल सीड्स क्रॉप्स में भी आप जानते हैं, सनफ्लावर, मस्टर्ड, सीसम, ग्राउंडनट. उसका castor oil is not edible oil. It is mainly used as a lubricant or purgative in manufacturing of transparent soaps, inks, paints, etc. Now let's we have a look what is fruits. Fruits are concerned, nowadays you all will have heard about the fruits. They include apple, mango, orange. They include apple, orange, mango, papaya, banana, guava, etc. These are different types of fruits. Whatever the fruits are concerned, now vegetables are concerned. Vegetables, they are edible parts. They have different edible parts. Among them, roots, stems, leaves, roots. Now, if we talk about the roots are concerned, roots I have already written. Roots are concerned, so that the roots are plants such as carrot, radish, turnip, sweet potato, beetroot are eaten as vegetables. Stems are concerned, now potato, onion, garlic, ginger, stems, etc. are sugarcane are also used for making of juices, etc. In the next class, we will study about the different parts of crop seasons. Spices are concerned, beta. You all know that the black pepper, turmeric, cardamom, fennel, lowage, etc. These are different spices. Crop seasons will be studied on tomorrow, and I hope you all will have studied well. And during this lockdown period, you all are staying at home. And nowadays, our school management are giving you a very adequate education regarding this, and I hope within 1 or 2 months we will finish the target of first term. Thank you and have a nice day.